This might be the best road I've ever driven. Welcome to part 2 of our trip to Italy, to this tiny village called Pellio. Its alpine passes, sounds, drama,
Are we gonna scrape?
views, and a few moments we definitely didn't plan for.
This looks so wrong.
Oh my god.
What's up guys? We're up here at the Gotthard Pass, continuing our journey to Pellio. The auntie of my wife has a house. It's like a holiday house. Really nice place. I'm gonna show it to you, but for now, let's drive down the Gotthard Pass. Yeah, heating. It's kind of cold up here. 1.5 hours till we reach our destination, and some nice roads in between. And you can feel at this altitude the car has a little bit less power because there's less air density up here. Wow, these views, man. Wow, that is unreal. Wow. If you enjoy this content, guys, please consider subscribing. Would really help me out. Also leave a like. Let's just enjoy those views. Downshift, let the engine brake a little bit. I'm not on a track, so I'm not gonna wear the brakes. I'm gonna look after them. Slow entry and fast exit. I'm also excited for Italian roads because the speed limit there is not 80, it's 90. Which means at my speedo I can legally drive around 104. You can hear it's really windy at 120 kilometers an hour. We need to go on the highway for a bit, so we're gonna put the roof on. Let's chill here for a second. Quick stop to make some pee-pee. Look at that. Wow.
So in Switzerland at a gas station you usually pay €1 or 1 franc to go to the toilet, but we didn't have any cash on us. So luckily a really nice lady told us there's actually a free toilet outside, so we went onto that. Now we have to do like another half an hour of highway driving, but then this upcoming road is one of the best roads I've ever driven. And later we're gonna find out, a friend of mine told me that this is actually a rally road, because there was someone in an old VW catching up to me, sticking up my ass.
He is fast, man. I think he knows the road.
So I thought that may be one of those rally drivers. Or it may just be a local that knows the road really well. Who knows? Buckle up and enjoy.
Alright, so the tedious highway driving is done. Now let's drive the last road up to Pellio. He wanted to hear it, so I let him hear it, man. Now it's 80. Whoa, the road already looks so cool. Blind corners, wow, okay, dangerous, but fun, and a hairpin. Whoa, okay, that is a sharp hairpin. Whoa, so sick. Oh my! Oh no! Now we have someone in front of us, sadly. I hope we can overtake this guy at some point. It looks tricky though.
Yeah, that slow driver held us back quite a bit. There was just no safe way to overtake. But then finally I took my chance.
Yes, man, yes! Wow, this is the road, oh my god, you search for. Holy moly, is this good, man? Whoa! Italy knows how to build roads. That is so cool, man. Whoa. Let's currently around 9 p.m. but it's still bright enough so we can see. Also no traffic. Whoa! This is like a rally road, man. Whoa! Oh my god, this is so cool. Whoa! Woo! Nah, we can't overtake. It's not safe. Okay, it's 50 anyways. So let's chill for a second. Wow, guys, that was so cool. Wow, man, the roads here, undescribably good. Sea goes out, that's nice. Oh, look at this small little village. This is so Italy. Oy, 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 oy. Yeah, let's watch out for bombs, because the road conditions are not as good as in Switzerland. And luckily the car isn't that low, so we should be able to clear everything. Now, I think we need to go up left, yeah?
I guess.
Yes, up left, okay. Really tight road. Really, really tight road. Whoa, that is an adventure, man. Ooh, are we gonna scrape? No. I was already up here once with the Tesla, and the Tesla is lowered, and it was fine as well. But obviously it's not as fun with the Tesla as with the Lotus. Wow, let's appreciate that view, man. Very narrow road. And yeah, it would be 50 here. I don't even dare driving 50. Wow, this is really steep, man. I'm sure the camera is gonna hide it, but it's steeper than it looks. Yes, I think now the fun road will begin again. And go! Whoa, the corners though! So technical, so cool. But we have everything under control here. Yeah, you could drive this much faster, but I don't really know the road. So I'm gonna chill for a bit. Wow! Wow! Oh my god, this looks so mystic. Heilige Strohsacke. Woo! Guys, I forgot how good this road is, man. Wow! It's also only our second time being here in Pellio. Here is the toll. I don't know what it's called in English. Okay, a car in front of us. That means we're gonna chill here for a quick second. So we have a free road in front of us. And if no one comes from behind, I can chill.
That made me wanna hurl.
Wirklich?
That was great.
Ah, die Straße, what the f... Richtig geil. Okay, someone is coming, let's go.
Yeah, and I didn't really expect this driver to be this fast. Watch this.
That guy is fast as well, yeah. Wow, really sharp hairpins. Oh, he is fast, man. I think he knows the road. I need to switch to first gear for these. Oh my god. Yeah, the guy behind me is definitely faster. I can't let it pass because there's not enough space. Okay, we already caught up to the other car.
Oh my god.
That guy was fast, man.
Dude, oh
Holy
my
moly.
god.
And that VW. Oh, I smell some clutch. Hope that's his and not mine. Whoa. Dude.
He was sticking up.
He
your
was
ass.
sticking up my ass in it. That was really cool. But yeah, let's continue. We have another 8 minutes to go until we arrive. But that road, holy moly. Insane.
Ich bin gerade schockiert von dem Dude.
Gell?
Oh mein Gott.
Ja, das ist etwa wie ein Engelberger, der die Straße kennt. That guy was fast, man. Whoa. I'm impressed. Wow, that's a cozy lamp, man. I hope you can see it well. Okay. 30 zone. What? And from here on, the speed limit is 90 and no more 80. So I can legally drive around 100, 105. Let's go, guys. Wow, Italy, man. I love Switzerland, but Italy as well. Mwah. Oh my god, this car is like perfectly made for these types of roads. Oh. Wow, that VW still, man. That was fast. I did not expect that. It's probably his home mountain, so he knows it like his pocket. I love when it jolts you back and forth. It's so funny. Yeah, that's very tight and very twisty. Not really for blasting. You can't see anything around this turn. That's why I really like having the navigation up, so I know on a road I rarely or never drive what turn is coming up. That's really helpful. Okay, we are here at Pellio. This is like our local bar, restaurant type of stuff. And now we're gonna drive this narrow road up to our house. I think I need to go left here. Okay, okay. This is tight. I would not want to drive something like a Ferrari or like a Lamborghini Aventador, because these cars are so wide you would definitely not get through here. No chance, man. No chance. I think I need to go straight or... Okay, quick confusion. I think we need to go up here. Wow, this is so steep. This car has never seen roads this steep. I hope we are driving correctly. I think so. Or not. I love navigation, except when it doesn't work. Should we try left? Oh my god, is this steep? Okay. This looks so wrong. I can't imagine we went up here with the Tesla. The Tesla is much wider.
Oh my god,
It also gives me anxiety, man. No. That looks so wrong. That looks so wrong. Let's go out here and give a phone to the other guys. Yeah, she's on the phone right now trying to figure out where we need to go, because that is not right. I mean, here it's fine, but here, man, look at that. Okay. And the Lotus is a small car, guys. Imagine any other car. Wow. Okay, and now? Should we try up here? No power steering.
Okay, we try that. Okay, yeah. Bye, thank you.
Wow, I'm impressed. I never scraped or anything. If you enjoyed this video so far, guys, please leave a like, consider subscribing, and comment what car would you take up this road. Oh, the doggo, a little golden. Okay, there she is. We are at the right place. Okay, now, before I'm gonna drive down there, I'm gonna check visually if it's okay with this car, because I think it might be problematic. Also der Simon ist runtergekommen.
Simon ist runtergekommen.
Yeah, guys, look, it's really low, and I think we could scrape here. Huh. Whoa, tricky. Let's check down here. Okay, guys, we're gonna try it. If we
Grazie.
Wow, that's so nice. People are so nice around here. Wow, okay, this really nice lady arranged for us that we can park back there. Because I'm not driving down here with a car this low. I would definitely scrape. Oh! Bye, grazie! Let's park it here, but a bit closer. Yeah, I think that is good. Amazing, this nice lady allowed us to park here. Super convenient, much better than going down this ugly road. Alright, we are at the house, the holiday house. Really, really nice. It's still getting built, but we already done a lot of stuff. Here are the other guys. Really nice. VW Golf. Clean. This is the house. This is kind of the second house. We're still building to get some more rooms. Down here we have the garden. Super nice. Super nice here. This is the place we stay. This is our view. Wow, look at that view. My friends just told me there's always a rally on this road. So I think that driver in the VW, in the old VW, was potentially a rally driver and not even just a local who knows the road, because he was fast as hell. And I never have someone sticking up my ass this hard. But yeah, that's the house. Hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Peace.